Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Kamaljeet Kaur. So today I'm doing a banana hair mask. My hairs are right now very damaged. There is a lot of hair fall, and right now I'm facing a lot of problem. It is due to water change, but I'm living right now here for like 6 months. But my hair conditions are getting worse, so I thought why not take proper care. My right now they are a little rough, not very much rough, and my hairs are to be washed. It's like 1 week I've not washed my hair. It's require a banana, one yogurt or curd, whatever you want, and you will take banana and mash it properly. If it's over ripped, so it's very good. So 2 tablespoons of curd in this will mix. If you have yogurt, please add yogurt. It is very good for your hairs. I didn't have yogurt, so I've added curd. Honey, 2 tablespoon of coconut oil. You have to mix this properly and stain it. I didn't stain it, so I had lot of problems afterwards. I will be telling you. Okay, so mixture is ready. So yes, I'll apply it on my scalp and all my hairs. So yes, make sure you stain this mask with Muslim cloth so that there are no crumbs, and you can also shampoo your hairs after this mask, or you can skip it. So yes, banana. What are the uses of banana? Banana helps are great for your hair and scalp. They also improve their manageability and shine, prevents and controls dandruff, and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are also rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins, which helps in soften the hairs and protect the hairs from natural elasticity, prevents split ends and breakage. Yogurt, if you have yogurt, please use yogurt. It helps in damage and increase growth. Curd does not has many benefits according to scientific reasons. There is no such research that curd is very beneficial for hairs, so that's why I'm recommending use yogurt. Honey helps in moisturizing and locking in shine of your hairs. Honey can also restore the natural luster of your hairs. Coconut oil is very beneficial for your hairs and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leaving it in treatment may help in moisturizing and sealing hairs. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. So the whole mixture is very good for your hairs if you apply it. As you can see, my hairs, they are the banana crumbs are there. Please, I'm telling you, please, I made this mistake, so I'm facing it. I've used this mask for first time. I don't know if I've told this or not. I've used this mask for first time, and and I had to wash my hairs like 3 to 4 times so that the banana crumbs remove. After that also, when my hairs were washed, I combed my hairs for like 3-4 times, then all the banana crumbs removed. That's why it's compulsory to strain it with a Muslim cloth so that no crumbs remain, and you can it's optional to shampoo your hairs, or you can skip it. In another video, I'll make a short video when I apply it again, that I had washed my hairs. I'll skip my hair wash and tell you what are the results. I'll make a short video on that. After applying it, make sure to apply a shower cap or polythene. I can leave it for 2 hours on my hairs, and then we'll see what happens. Yes, it's a little bit messed right now, so it'll be after 2 hours after washing my hairs. I'll show you the results. Okay, so I've cleaned my hairs after 2 hours. So yes, so now my hairs are little on softer side. It's just that after applying banana mask, banana crumbs remain on your hairs. I washed it for three times, and also my hairs, they had crumbs of banana, and while combing it was like down. But now you can see my hairs. After applying it only for one time, it gave me very good results. Like, I just applied it once. You have to use it for like 1 month proper, then you can see the results. So yes, one time result for very good. I'll make a short video after this again. Whenever I repeat the mask, so I'll do it. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video.